All right, you guys, so I'm going to show you one more cool feature of the Bissell Smart Clean. Suppose you have kids or you have a pet and they play in the house or things like that. It doesn't have, it just backs up against this little docking station, And so somebody could come by, for instance, I have it right here by my garage door out of my kitchen. Somebody could come by and just bump it and knock it off the charger and it won't charge. So I'm going to demonstrate what this does when you knock it off the charger. I think it's actually still charging. I actually didn't scoot it over far enough. So it is still charging, but I'm going to knock it off the charger. There you go, we have a gap now. Alright, I'll do it one more time. I'll make it try to make it a little bit more complicated for it. Alright, so it's going to go all over the place and it's going to find it.